Hello, today I am on the Adobe Spark website to show you how a learner would take a creation made on Spark and turn it into your Schoology course. First, let's get this learner logged in. So when a learner comes to Adobe Spark, they will sign in and then use Continue with Google using their pequayvalley.net email address to go ahead and get signed into Adobe Spark. Now that the learner is signed into Adobe Spark, they can either create a new project choosing from the templated types that are here, or they can go ahead and work on something they've already created. I've created the assignment that I need to turn in today. Now that it's all created and the way that I need it to be to turn it in, I'll go ahead to the share button and I'm going to publish this link. Once I've given it a title, I'll be able to create the link, copying that. Now that I've created that link, I'll be able to jump back over to Schoology. I'll go ahead and submit to the assignment. I'm going to use the Create tab to create a link. And what this will do for you is create a clickable link so that you can just simply click that and open the Spark creation instead of having to copy the URL. We'll submit that. And I'll show you the difference between the two. When we look at revision 1, we'll be able to see this is the non-linked URL. It's not clickable. I would have to copy that text and paste it. If I go to revision 2 where I had the learner use the link tool, now I see this is a clickable link. I can click and go directly to that shared URL. As always, I hope this tutorial on turning in Spark creations was helpful, and thanks for watching.